Our research addresses global problems. That's why partnerships bringing together expertise from around the world are so important. The Global Fellowship Scheme enables world-leading researchers to spend up to 3 months with us here in Brighton. Global Fellows work with our researchers to co-produce papers and grants and deliver workshops for our postgraduates and undergraduate students.
So I applied for the Global Fellowship Scheme because it was a fabulous opportunity to really advance and accelerate some of the work we're doing. The focus of our work really has been around vulnerable populations and particularly LGBT populations. I think that some of the greatest benefit will be from some of the advancements and improvements we've made in screening for sexually transmitted infections as well as diagnostics.
I think the main advantage of being here in person was that the possibility to exchange ideas and of course to have dedicated time for our activities.
Primarily it's given us a chance to widen our collaboration, including other staff in the university and also other students to engage with us.
There are many benefits of the Global Fellowship Scheme. Mainly you get to work with an expert in the field that you wouldn't meet before to tackle a global problem. We need to work internationally to work together to solve these problems.
I think the Global Fellowship will give a lot of opportunity to future academics that apply to this program. Access to new technology is very important to generate strong results. And finally, I think the opportunity to publish a paper with high impact.
There'll be many people who will benefit from this research. The first will be academics. Students have benefited. Alexis has kindly met with them one-to-one and also given a seminar to people across the university. In addition to students and academics, also I think patients, particularly patients with cancer. If we know more about stress resilience, then we can help not only cancer patients but other patients with other diseases or people generally with mental health problems. I would say 100% absolutely go for it. It has been so rewarding.
Collaborations have the power to change the world around us. If you're interested in working together to make a difference, find out more about our Global Fellowship Scheme online.